what does that look like? What does the foundation of a business look like that has perpetual profits? Like, what's at the foundation? Good morning. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Spiceda Jackson. I am the CEO and founder of X Financial Inc. We are best known in the marketplace as Tax Plus 365, a CPA-powered accounting firm that works with small business owners and investors in the perpetual profit pathway, helping you guys keep an eye on your business, establish a good fit foundation. And when I say fit, I mean good F-I-T, good financials, incorporation, and tax returns that keep profits in your business so that you too can profit and grow rich, just like the Bezos and Warren Buffetts of the world. We help businesses keep profit in their business. What does that look like? What does the foundation of a business look like? What's at the foundation? Number one is good financials. Because I said to someone recently, I said, is it your accountant or is it you? And when I say that, and I was hoping, I hope I'm not insulting anybody, but at the end of the day, the reason why so many people and businesses owe taxes and just feel like they're giving their money away to the government is because of bad financials. So at the foundation of your business and at the foundation of a tax return that you're not worried about, there is good financials. There is making sure that your business is incorporated right, because that feeds into a great tax return, a tax return where you don't have to be jealous when you look at the news articles that say that many wealthy business owners did not pay as much as you did in taxes. You have to establish the same foundation for your business, and you can with good financials. If that is you and you need financials, good financials, look at your incorporation so that your tax return can be right. Work with us, get one of our fit systems. I'll drop the link down later. Make sure y'all have that. Good morning, Great Beyond 28. That's my husband. I'm wearing actually our shirt today because I'll be going to Traffic Sales and Profit TSP Live today. It's exciting, but I decided to wear some of our gear. Y'all told me if y'all like it. It says, you can see it says Great Beyond 28. You can get that at our website, Great Beyond 28 shop, or I think also the greatbeyond28.com website leads there. But anyway, y'all have a great day, and until I talk to y'all next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that's up. I love y'all. Bye. I got a ski daddle.